Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna be opening this today. And I know I haven't been opening this yet, and it's the first time, so yeah, I'm gonna get started. So I'm going where this arrow is, and I'm so excited. I'm like so excited what I'm gonna have. Like I just wanted to like open it when I know I was in the car, and I went to a lot of stores today. And yeah. How do you open this? Is there something on this? Oh, I found it. Okay. I'm just gonna open it like this. This is so cool. Like these are so many. I think you can use these for your dolls. And I've been trying to get a bird, but I have not get up. So I'm gonna open. How do you do this? Does it come off? Or is this side? I'm kind of bad at this because this is like the first time. It all has 5 on it. The whole thing, and even this one. Can't really see because that's too much for me to put up. So yeah. And it is so hard to open. I think I had to do this really quick. Okay, so I got these. I'm taking all these things out first. Then I'm gonna let you see at the end of like when I'm doing this. Everything on all of that. And then I got this. Can't you guys see? It's ham. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna have to feel it and see. I haven't found like the way to open it. Can you open this thing? I think you cannot. Well, I was trying to open this, but I think you cannot. It is whipped cream. I'm so scared if it goes to 7. Like if I pass it. My lips, my face kind of looks pink. What is in here next? I just want to open all of them. I got some pickles. Pickles right here. Does this? I don't know what that says. Then I got this, which I'm not gonna open it. And this is the last one. And I'm gonna show you all of the whole thing. Brother's saying like, why does her look so like pinky already? I think. And I got soap and a mattress because it has this behind. Does it have it, all of it? There's actually nothing inside the pickle. And they just dried it. Oh, and it has it too. I think all of it has it. So here is the collectors. Wow, it has some. It has all the sauces and foods and stuff. And toys too. Wait, I think I got this one. It's that one right there. I got all of these toys right here. Oh my gosh. I don't even know how to open like this. How do you do this? I'm not really good at math like these extractions. So first you get 2 of these, I think, or once. Well, I might not do it. I might just wait, and in the other video, I will just show you guys what you guys might be like. Why is he not doing this in like this video? But bye. I will see you next time in the other video. And don't forget to subscribe and put the thumbs up. And yeah, I think that's it.